Presenting the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include passenger airbag sensor, front head airbag, power steering, split bench seat, rear-wheel drive, MP3 player, driver airbag, power door locks, and AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.